Django, inline form set underscore factory with more than one foreign key. I'm trying to do a form set with the following models. Boost is the primary. I want to display a form to add a boost item, trying to do in this way. Here is my questions. 1. When renderized, the combo box for creator, show a list of db.userinfo, literally. I want this to display db.userinfo.auth.username that are already in the database. How to do this? 2. In this way, where is my db.gameinfo to choose? Thank you. Equals D. Equals. Shashaic answered my question very well. Boo, now I need just a little question. When I use the model form to create a form for the boost underscore trophy model, it's work nice, but I want the form to show in the game box only a really small set of items, only the geometry info, game underscore name equals game underscore a, results. How can I do this?
If I understand you correctly, to change what is displayed, set the models underscore Unicode underscore function.
If you want to support the channel, please consider